Hey guys, what's up? Brendan from WhisperNode here. Today, with the launch of the CFI token coming on March 31st, I want to give you guys a tutorial of how to provide liquidity on SecretSwap. The biggest portion of the CFI genesis is going to SecretSwap LP providers. If I look down here at the blog post, I can see in year one, 22% is going to LP providers. So let's jump into that, guys. I'm going to head over to the bridge at bridge.secret.network here. I'm going to assume for this tutorial that you are familiar with viewing keys and have been bridge mining, and that you've earned some secret, and you want to take that secret and then provide double-sided liquidity on SecretSwap. So without further ado, here we go. I'm going to go into my Kepler wallet where I have claimed my secret rewards from the bridge mining. So when I open my Kepler wallet here, you're going to hopefully see some secret. You can see I have 30.45 secret there. So I'm assuming that those are my rewards from the bridge. I'm going to go to the swap page here. And remember, this is double-sided liquidity, so I need secret and the other token that I want to provide liquidity for. So let's say I want to provide secret ETH liquidity. Well, if I have 30 secret, I'm going to need to swap about half of that for secret Ethereum to provide the other side of that liquidity. So let's go ahead and do that. I'm going to swap 15 secret for some secret ETH. Click swap there. You can see that this interface, nice and easy, guys, just like Uniswap if you've ever used that, with much cheaper fees, and of course it's front running resistant. So I'm going to approve that transaction there. And you can see that that swap was successful. So now I have 15.4 secret and some secret ETH. So now I'm going to click this provide button here to provide that liquidity. And I'm going to provide secret ETH so I can, make sure that secret ETH is chosen here. I'm going to do the max of 15.45 secret. Actually, I have a little bit less Ethereum, so I'm going to click max on the Ethereum side, which is about 15 secret. I need to approve that transaction for each token the first time I'm doing this. So again, make sure you have regular secret in your wallet to pay for these gas fees. I'm going to approve the secret ETH as well. You can see that that was successful up there. Click approve on this one. And once this is done, now I'm able to click this provide button here. And you can see, there we go. I have provided double-sided liquidity. To view my current share of the pool, I need to create that viewing key. So I'm going to click this view button. And I'm going to create that viewing key just like I would with any of the other tokens. Click approve. And there you go. You can see that I have provided 0.004317736.9% of the secret Ethereum pool. So hopefully that earns me some CFI tokens on March 31st. All right, guys. Happy liquidity providing. Peace.